Hey, my name is Shoria. This is our CalHack 6.0 project called Hiccup. Hiccup is a Chrome extension that allows you to keep track of the time spent on your favorite websites. So as you can see, this is the extension right here. This is the icon, and there's an authorize step I've already authorized using my Gmail login. So essentially we can click on some of these tabs, CNN, NFL, so it'll track all these websites and we should be able to get analytics from them. So the way it does that is it'll create a Google Sheets in my account, which it has right here, Hiccup datasheet. So wait for that to load, and you can see copy of URLs. So those are all the tabs I've been on. So I went on a few tabs beforehand, so there's CNN, NFL, Y Combinator, Berkeley, etc. And we can see visualizations and analytics. So here you can see the percentage of time I've spent on each of these websites in a pie chart based on the time I've spent on them. So yeah, as you can see, it's a great Chrome extension. It's great for managing and tracking your time. As college students, it's definitely something that's invaluable. So that's Hiccup. That's our CalHack 6.0 project, and I hope you enjoyed.